Hey guys, it's Tika and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making blueberry mini cheesecakes. And if you're interested in more small batch recipes like the one you see here, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Okay guys, so for these cheesecakes, you're going to need some graham cracker crumbs or cookie crumbs, and I'm using chessmen. You're also going to need some cream cheese, a little Greek yogurt, some vanilla extract, some salt, a couple of eggs, some sugar, and some melted butter. And for the topping, we're going to need some blueberries, some sugar and lemon zest, vanilla extract, a little cornstarch, and water, and that's optional. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by adding all my melted butter into my crumbs, and I'm just going to mix this up until it's sand-like. And I'm also going to add in just a sprinkle of salt. And taking a muffin tin, I'm just going to line it with 12 cupcake liners. And I'm going to take a tablespoon of those crumbs and I'm just going to add it into each one of these liners. And using the back of my measuring spoon, I'm just going to pack it all in nice and tight. And this is going to go in the oven at 325 for about 5 to 7 minutes. And while this is baking up, let's go ahead and start working on this filling. So for the cheesecake filling, I'm just going to start by adding in all of my cream cheese to my stand mixer. And I'm going to mix this on medium speed until it's nice and fluffy and creamy. Then I'm going to give my bowl a really good scrape down. And I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my eggs now. So I'm going to add my eggs in one at a time, fully incorporating each egg before I add in the next. Okay, now that is all whipped in, I'm going to start adding in my other ingredients. So my first ingredient going in is my Greek yogurt. And I'm just going to let this incorporate a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar in here, and I'm just going to gradually sprinkle that in. Lastly, I'm going to add in my vanilla. And this is looking good. So today I'm going to be using my ice cream scoop. And I'm going to take a scoop of this yummy cream cheese filling and I'm going to add it to each one of my liners. And this is going to go in the oven at 325 for about 20 to 24 minutes. And while these are baking up, let's go ahead and work on this delicious blueberry topping. So here in my saucepan, I've already started to simmer my blueberries a little bit. I've already added in my lemon zest and my sugar and my vanilla. And I'm just going to let these simmer on down until a lot of this blueberry juice starts to come out of these blueberries. So after about 7 minutes, I went on ahead and started adding in some butter. Now you do not have to add butter, it's just something I like to do. And I'm still going to give this some time because I really want to extract those juices. And I'm even going to crush some of these blueberries a little bit just to get the process going. And now that they've been simmering for about 10 minutes, this is a good place for me to go ahead and start adding in my cornstarch. So I'm going to add that in there to go ahead and thicken up all this lovely blueberry juice. And at this point, it's just about done, so I'm just going to watch it for a few more seconds. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add it to a heat-safe bowl so it can go ahead and cool down. And once everything's nice and cool, we'll go ahead and add everything together. And now everything is ready, so I'm just going to take all my little cheesecakes and I have them unwrapped and I'm just going to lay them out. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of this delicious blueberry topping to all of my cheesecakes. And that's it, you guys. Really delicious and really easy blueberry cheesecakes. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I'll catch you in the next one.